I'm going to show you how you can check if you have registered for the NAISS course Intro to Python. And I'm going to follow these steps and let's find out if I am registered. So this whole procedure ensures that your email is not publicly shown online, but still you can check if your email is registered. Alright, that's why it's a complex procedure. So to do so, go to the course page. I'm going to move this to the left and I'm going to move what comes out of it to the right. Okay. There. Go to the course page, to the course data page. So that's here. You can also find it under MISC. There's data there, and if you click it, you get all the data collected in this course. Go to the table, to the data of your course instance. So for example, the next iteration is in March. You click there. And here we see the data. We see registrations, number of registrations in time, and we see even a plot, how many have registered for the course in time. Next step, view the registration table. If the MD5 hash of your email address is in that table, you are registered. So the registrations table is here, so I'm going to click on it. And it will download a comma-separated file. Let's open it. I'm going to open it with a text editor. It doesn't matter how you use this one. And now we need to find out if our email address is among here. And we need to get the MD5 hash of our email address. And this is because if you take a look at this list, I should not have published email addresses here, but I can encode them using MD5. But also you can verify if your email is in. Now how to get such a thing, so that's described here, how to use MD5. You go to, you can easily find, there are multiple websites that can do this. I have used this one, the MD5 hash generator. I'm going to pull it out too, there. Where you put in your email, let's use my email here. Copy paste my email, paste it here. This generates the MD5 hash. Here it is. I copy this, or I copy this, and then I look in the list. I use find here, and I see my email address is not in this list. This means I have not registered for this course, which is correct because I am the teacher. So in this way, I've showed you now how you can check if you have been registered for the course. It's a bit of a clumsy procedure, but again, it's a trade-off between privacy and pragmatism. Besides that, I wish you a very good day. Bye.